Alright, hello everybody. My video for today is unboxing it is a leather craft kit, but my plan is to use this for my bookbinding. And so I saw there was some really good reviews on it. And so this is the one that I bought. It has 46 different things in it. Yes, I've already opened it because it was an absolute, it came very, very messy. And so I wanted to have it so it was easy to go through. So it comes with an awl. I needed one that I could grip. I have the Tim Holtz one, and using it multiple times, it really hurts the palm of my hand. So I needed one that I could grip like this. And so that's one of the reasons I started looking for a kit like this. It does have some leather sewing needles, like some leather sewing implements in here as well, which, you know, that'll be good for when I'm doing some pieces. I do have some things I'm going to use that for. It has a seam ripper, and so since I like to use old books, sometimes I really want to rip out the stitching from that old book so I can actually use the pages a little bit easier. And so this has a really good grip. I really like that. I really like the way that feels. It's sort of soft and cushy. It's like got a cushion holder so it makes it easy to hold it, because you know how those little bitty seam rippers, they just make my hand hurt after I use them. So yeah, and it does snap on so it doesn't fall off. These scissors hopefully will be good, because I like this kind of scissors, especially when I'm cutting threads, because I can get really close. So yeah, that's in there. It has a tape measure. It's not too thick, but it's, you know, it's flexible, so that's good. And a bunch of needles. Now this is the reason I reboxed this, because when I picked it up out of the mailbox, I shook it and these were actually open. So this cap doesn't really hold on well. But look at all of these different needles. They are dull, which is great. And I don't know how well they'll work for bookbinding, but for other projects, I think they'll be great. You know, weaving in ends for my crochet and knitting projects, you know, I mean, this kit only cost me $7. I will put a link in the description box, and it will be an Amazon affiliate link. So if you click it, I'll get a percentage, but, you know, it doesn't change your price in any way. It has this thimble, and this thimble looks like it's going to be good, because, you know, the ones that cover the tip of my finger just are not comfortable to wear. So that, I think, will work pretty good and be able to pop the needles in and out, especially even when I'm using it for doing my embroidery projects. And then a needle threader, always needing a needle threader. So that's those pieces. There is another smaller seam ripper, but like I said, these are not as ergonomically easy to use. I'm always afraid I'm going to punch myself or poke myself or, you know, stab myself with these crazy things, because they're very sharp and the size just doesn't work. So yes, I am very excited about this bigger one. There's also a set of 4 curved needles, which I'm really excited, because I really want to get back into doing Coptic binding, and the 4 needle version looks a lot better. So I'm really excited about these. There's also another pack of needles underneath all the thread, and there's 2 more curved needles and then a few other needles. I like using these for weaving in my ends for crochet and knitting projects. There are 6 different colors of waxed linen thread. Haven't tried these yet, so I will do another video after I try them. But look at the colors. I'm really excited to try this and work with them for some of the book covers, the vintage book covers that I have, that I want to. Like I said, I'm going to use the Coptic binding for them. So yeah, these are going to be great for that. There's also this really thick upholstery thread, and sometimes when I'm doing a hidden binding, I will use a thinner thread and not a wax thread so that it doesn't it doesn't bulk up the spine as much. And so there are 2 blacks, 2 a white and a cream, a blue, 2 colors of brown. Actually, yeah, it's almost a black, but it's a dark brown. So 3 colors of brown and 2 colors of gray. So value-wise, I really do think the amount of things you get in here for, like I said, at the time that I bought it, it was $6.99. And, prices change on Amazon so much, by the time you're watching this video was filmed on the 22nd of September of 2022. The price may have changed a little bit, but it's definitely a good value because I know just the wax thread alone would cost me more than that. So, I'm happy with that. And these needles are great. Like I said, having this gives me 6 needles. So if I did want to do a Coptic binding with more, which that would just be a lot more work. And these leather tools, my husband has to do these leather tools. My husband wants to do some repair work on his equine equipment, and this will give him that. I'm sure he'll want to try those out. But yeah, this all I really think is going to be great. So I'm really super excited about that, as well as the big seam ripper. But yeah, the rest of the things, I really do think it's a good value because, just these blunt tipped needles alone normally would cost me $4 or $5. So for $7 for all of this, it's a steal. So yes, I definitely would recommend this 46-piece kit. This is not an ad. I was not gifted it. I purchased it with my own money. And it's just something I figured I would do an unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing in a while. But yeah, I'm very excited about this kit. And if you like it, hit that like button and subscribe. And I'm going to do a video of me using this kit as well. That's coming up. And I will, give you a more review on the tools that are in this kit and how well they are. So leave me a comment on what you would like to see on this channel and hit a like and subscribe if you like this video. I would love to see you come back. Have a good day.